So good morning, everybody. We finally made it. We're finally here. So congratulations to everyone. I thought you might like to see the back office as it is now. It's pretty exciting. There's a few more things in there that we haven't seen before. So let's go ahead and dive in and have a look at this new back office of ours. Start with this screen here, of course. This is brand new. And as we can see, there's a beautiful picture there of the Alps. Let's log in and see where we go. So we do need to allow the Cloudflare security section to open up and confirm. And if you're using two-factor authentication, which is highly recommended, of course, then that's the next section that pops up. And so we need to complete that. And so here we are. So let's take a walk through and see what we've got. As you can see, as Shoba has mentioned in her message, the first thing you see here is your referral link. And as we must all well know by now, we never ever use this referral link ourselves to invite people into either the Shining Stars and certainly not to Des Alpes directly. All of our contacts and all of our members need to join the Shining Stars community first and allow the Shining Stars leadership team to issue out our referral links to just 2 people who will become our direct referrals. And we allow them to do all of the work, and we never ever have to do any work as far as recruiting ourselves. So that's the first thing to note. So let's have a look through and see what else we've got here. A few instructions there. Of course, they don't necessarily apply to us because we are in the Shining Stars, and a lot of that is done for us. So let's have a look through and see what else we've got. So look at my network. In my case, I'm very fortunate. I do have 2 people already placed below me. That's because I joined way back in February before the system closed down. And these 2 people were able to join also before the system closed down. But as you can see, they weren't able to pay, and they've yet to pay their AMB memberships. And so that's something that will happen presumably over the next few days or perhaps weeks. So again, if I go to direct referrals, those same 2 people show up, and those are the only 2 that I'll ever need. And so I'll probably never ever see more than that. In fact, I should never ever see more than that, because if I do see more than that, it means that something's gone wrong. So just bear that in mind. You'll only ever need or see 2 referrals in your back office as direct referrals, and those will have been given to you by the community. So just bear that in mind. Let's have a look at my account profile, all up to date, all the latest information. Two-factor authentication is active, as you can see. And let's have a look at the auto upgrade section. All selected, as you can see there as well. 7 levels of auto upgrade, all pre-selected and ready to go. I don't have to worry about that, provided I have the income in my wallet enough to cover each of these all throughout every single month. And of course, it would be a case of adding all these up, and that's the amount that you must have in your wallet every month to cover these upgrade fees on a monthly basis. The media section is really interesting. This is brand new. I don't think any of us have seen this before. And here you've got some great training opportunities here, or learning opportunities. So we've got leadership, productivity, digital marketing, a whole ton of things that those of us who are keen to learn how to market online for our own benefits or for the benefits of the community, either or, we've got some great resources here. So you can see list building strategies, email marketing, entrepreneur success. And of course, this is all coming from people who are creators of a phenomenal business. And so we can expect these to be of a very high quality, very high standard, not the normal sort of rubbish that you might find out there in the world. And of course, we get this as part of our membership. No extra costs, no extra fees. It's all there for us to use and benefit from. Instagram marketing, Facebook marketing, e-commerce, drop shipping, mastering AI. There we go. That's a great one for all of us who are enjoying the benefits of the Lev AI. Yet more training for using artificial intelligence and digital entrepreneurship. And I don't doubt over time this will grow and grow and grow. More and more training programs added over time. So look at my wallet. So empty at the moment. You can see here we can do internal transfers. So that's a great thing that we have access to now. Of course, we can withdraw. Real-time updates. So at a certain point in time, this 0 will be ticking up a bit like a timer, I think, with dollars and cents adding on a daily basis as we grow. That's exciting. The shop is where you make your AMB1 membership payments, or your ambassador payment, your upgrade to ambassador payment, plus your monthly subscription. So the monthly subscription is either $9 a month, or $49 for 6 months, or $81 for the year. But at the moment there is a promotion whereby if you pay the $49, you get a year's worth of annual membership, and it will stay at $49 for life and never increase. That's a special founders offer for those of us who are in early, and that will be available for the next month, I understand. And that's really just for Shining Stars members, I think. It may be company-wide, I'm not sure, but it is limited to a period of time. So just keep your eye on that. And these are my orders. That was my AMB membership. And then we have a support line, and that's pretty much it. So there we go. That's a bit of a walk through the back office. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye for now.